Ever since I was a kid, I always wonder how interesting it is to know what makes these ice creams still liquid water and not solidly frozen as the regular solid ice, even if they are both placed at the freezer temperature. Wanna take this journey with me? Let's say that this is a solute particle. When we add this solute into the solvent, it will react differently from a pure solvent because of its presence, which causes physical changes to the solution. As a result, it will display certain colligative property that depend only upon the concentration of solute and not on the identity of the solute particles. I know you like food as much as I do, but does it ever occur to you the processes these foods undergo before being served to your table? For an instance, you want to cook a pasta. Beforehand, we need to preheat the water where the vapor pressure of the solvent is relatively high. Once we add a solid particle, it will decrease the amount of vapor pressure due to the intermolecular force of the solute that will hold back the solvent to evaporate and turn into gaseous phase. This explains the first colligative property of solution, commonly known as vapor pressure lowering. In considering the decrease of the vapor pressure in the pot, a phenomenon of the second colligative property called boiling point elevation occurs. It is when the boiling point of a liquid increases when another compound is added, such that the solution has a higher boiling point than the pure solvent. It's getting hot in here. Why don't we go back to the park and have some cold treats? Yes, an ice cream. Just like what I always wondered, this ice cream undergoes a process that makes the ice cream still firm yet somewhat soft. It is because ice cream freezes at a lower temperature than water. Ice cream has numerous particles, making it more difficult for the ice cream's water molecules to push the particles out of the way and solidify into ice. This summarizes the third colligative property of solution, called freezing point depression, which is the process of lowering a liquid's water freezing point by adding solute to it. This is precisely what happens throughout the ice cream production process. Another colligative property of solution is osmotic pressure, but I think that is a new exploration. Even so, this day made me realize how tiny solute particle can be reason to many phenomena that we have today. Indeed, science is where little things matter.